So for a daily office cleaning task, we always go with the mopping, sweeping, cleaning counters, tables, desks, chairs. That's more of a daily cleaning. If they have a break room, making sure the break room is nicely clean. More on a weekly basis, one time a week or 2 times a week, should be checking refrigerators, doing more of a deep clean, such as moving stuff around or cleaning behind desks or behind like by cords or anything like around the desktops. On a monthly basis, we usually perform a deep clean, which is something more in detailed, kind of moving around. This is when we suggest if they want more of a deep clean, they can have their stuff removed from certain areas that they want us to focus on, and then that's when we do a deep clean. We get through the areas that are really not that noticeable on a daily basis to make sure that the business is consistently knowing that we're completing all the cleaning. We usually send weekly reports like, hey, this got done in your office. We send follow-ups. Sometimes the clients request inspections, for us to send over, so we send all that information. We have our quality control managers who are really good at sending their inspections on a weekly basis, so we try to follow up with the client and let them know, hey, this is what's getting done in your space and this is what we completed. Is there something that you need extra? And then this is when we offer any extra services if it's requested. So the tools that we use is mainly reminders. Due to certain tasks that need to be completed, sometimes clients request stuff to be completed once a week. So we try to keep track of everything in our system. We use a good system that gives us a good reminders. Also, we have our schedules. We have our spec sheets. So everything is in a specification sheet. Everything, all the information is there of the frequency, things that need to get done in that workspace.